getting excited. Okay, go, Nana. I see you.
We'll be right back with Return to Neverland here on Disney Channel.
Did you know that you can jump, shout, and figure things out every morning with the Imagination Mover?
That's exactly right.
That means every morning at 10, 9 Central, you can
Go, Bree.
Every morning you'll see warehouse rooms and cool costumes.
What do you think?
Plus, every morning they'll sing the Brainstorm song.
Brainstorm!
And that's a lot of great reasons to join along.
Yeah!
Get your imagination moving with Imagination Movers every morning on Playhouse Disney.
She's so happy. Yes, I can do it too now. I can jump up and down too. So you go, Nana. Your turn. That is so cute. I can do it too now, Nana. I can do it. She's trying to do just like you. I can do it too, sister. I can do it.